She cute. She killing them. She killing them. My finger's greasy. Makeup babes, YouTube, what's good? It's your girl Lisa Rose, aka the Makeup Baby, and I am back with another video. And I'm representing TMB Makeup Artistry. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a faithful subscriber and have been a subscriber since day one, you know I appreciate you. You're the real MVP. Even though I'm not up here every day, once a week, once a month, you gotta know what I'm doing when I'm doing it, okay? So you gotta hit that subscribe button and you have to hit that notification bell. I mean, it's just, come on, cuz, get with the program. Thank you. Can a sister get can I get back into the swing of things, and can a sister get at least 1,000 subscribers? Can we get that, okay? Go ahead and share with your family, your friends, and your co-workers, all right? And let them know that Lisa Rose, Lisa S. Singleton, okay, with TMB Makeup is on and popping. So without further ado, y'all, this is the look that I am serving. Okay, this is all type of fall vibes. I'm really rolling with these fall looks. You gotta go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets, platforms. That is your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Every once in a while, not really though, Snapchat, but you can still, you know what I mean, shake with your girl over there, all right? Because when I'm not here on the tube, you can definitely find me over there. And I'm posting like crazy. Come see me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump on into it. And did I tell y'all to make sure that y'all subscribe? Okay, because it's free. Yes, make sure you subscribe. Okay, join the family. Anyway, so my face is already nice and beautifully moisturized. If you see me. Okay. So now that's done. So now what I do is I go in with my primer, but I will show y'all this product because this primer right here is the bomb. Okay, this is your Loft Perfecting mattifying face primer, and I have been using this primer for years. All right, so what I've been doing lately is I've been putting on my concealer before I actually put on my foundation. So now I'm going in with my foundation, which I'm using a NARS Radiant Longwear. I cannot tell you the color, y'all, but I'm gonna go in with just a regular blending sponge. But let me tell you about this blending sponge. No, it does not feel like a beauty blender, but it does not feel like those extra cheap blending sponges that are super dense, super hard. Like when you wet it, it's still super dense. I want to say I got these from, oh, you know where I got these from? Back in the day, I want to say I ordered Le Cosmetique. I don't even know if Le Cosmetique still has, I think the last time I was on that website, they had changed their name. But Le Cosmetique is a website that I used to order from all the time. And they have these types of sponges. And when I tell you, it's a really, really decent blending sponge. It's decent, you know what I mean? coverage. Like, look at the luminosity. I think, you know, it's a very beautiful foundation. It's very radiant and luminous, and it's just gorgeous. To add a little dimension to this product. And we'll do a little bit of forehead. Okay, and then I like to bring in a little bit here. Just like that. Okay. I take the butt of the blender. Just kind of. And then I might swipe down. We will let that kind of sit and do its thing for a minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna go in with a liquid illuminator, and I'm gonna put this on the butt of the blending sponge. OmniaBeats.com. The shape that I want. See that? And that way I'm highlighted, but I'm not like OD with it. You know what I mean? So now I'm gonna take a little synthetic brush, okay, and I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to blend out this cream product up into eye socket. So now I'm gonna go in and kind of set everything that I have laid down. So I just kind of use this pressed peach powder from Too Faced, and I just pick it up on my sponge. You can use whatever pressed powder that you want. I just like the way that this peach tone brightens my under eye. And first of all, I'm using this Morphe palette. Okay, that's first and foremost. Okay, and this is the, don't give me the lion, 35M. Okay, and I do like this palette. I think this palette screams fall. So it's just something that I picked up last year. I want to say this came out last year. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this brown. Color I'm picking up is this berry tone right here. And then I'm going to go over that with the orange. So now I'm just going to press this in. OmniaBeats.com. I want to open my what you're gonna see once my eye is open. And my third color, I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush. This is a Crown C511. Okay, very similar to all these makeup companies that make a fluffy blending brush. Okay, it's all pretty much the same. So I'm gonna lift my eye and I'm gonna just blend from the crease up, like this rust color right here, which is like right here, right? So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna pick this. So now I'm just gonna add this eyeliner. But the thing about eyeliner for me, like I love a good wing, but I also love when I can just kind of have it like gradually get thicker and just do like a little flick on the end. You know what I'm saying? And I can do my right side way better than I can do my left, but I try. Is I'm going to take my Iman powder, okay, this is a luminous foundation. I want to say this is in clay number 4, and I picked this up with another angle brush, okay, and then I use this to kind of make sure that all the areas that I've highlighted, right, that I just go in. It just kind of brings color balance to the face, but also helps to lock in, you know, what you set. But because it's luminous, like it really does give the face this nice, beautiful radiance to it. I like my blush to lay on top of my highlighter. This is just some Milani Candlelight. I think this might be a discontinued product, but you see how it has like the 3 shades in here? It's like this pink situation. An e.l.f. brush. It's like a dual fiber type of brush, and I like to, the bristles on this brush really allow you to like disperse this product in such a way that it's just so pretty. Oh, it's just like very subtle. And then some Blush, which is an ABH blush trio. And I really like, like this darker shade over here. With blush, I like to place it right and meld the bronzing. And I like to concentrate the color in the front and then swoop it up. Concentrate the color at the front and then swoop it up. That's what I like to do. Like what? This is a fall vibe where the eyes have it, ladies and gentlemen. The eyes have it. Seeing color stay. I think this is in Fighter. This is like one of my favorite fall go-to lips. I do have a situation for under my eye. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this is like a gold. That is a vibe. Okay, so look, I'm gonna take this little pointed little brush right here. Did my bills lose? 331. Okay, and I'm going to, it's a nice shimmery gold powder in this palette. See right here? Is this color right here. Okay. Okay. This is a vibe. Let's put on some mascara. Ladies and gentlemen, if you made it to the end of this video, if you got this far, you the real MVP. Shout out to you, okay? Shout out to you. If you're watching it, you must like it. So I need you to go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe because it is free. It doesn't cost you a thing. So now, I just appreciate y'all rocking with me, okay? Again, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And until next time, makeup babes. Peace. Killing them. My fingers greasy. Alright, I gotta go get a jar of popcorn. Do you see? Do you see this full vibe?